not mix well with fees, medicines, and food. Dude, there was a
So like you
big
can't eat?
freaking list.
You're irritating me.
You gotta do it. You gotta do it. Just eat your Laffy Taffy. Just eat it.
You're gonna put this on YouTube
I
or
won't.
something.
I won't. Ew, you spit all over. Ew. You just like flung your spit over here. You're nasty.
Look at that.
All over my face. It's good.
At least I eat healthy.
I ate healthy.
Look at that Laffy Taffy. You're trying to say that's not healthy?
Have you seen this before?
Is this kind of like that saddle thing?
Huh?
Oh, excuse me. Excuse me again.